I'm gonna show you the outside temperature in Pecos, Texas. As you can see right here, it's 55 degrees. So I'm gonna walk you through my unit on the heating system. Check this out. If you guys been watching my videos, you know I've been living in my RV for about 2.5 months here. I'm in the oil and gas field as a certified welding inspector. As you can see, the temperature outside right now in Pecos, Texas is 55 degrees. I show you there on the app. But this is my first time trying the heating system. I was concerned, whenever you got a new unit, you don't know if things gonna work right. But this fireplace, man, it's awesome. You turn it on, and as you can see, I'm gonna just show you right there, it's 75 degrees in here now. When I woke up this morning, I didn't have nothing on. I had the AC and heater off. It was like 65 degrees. So 30 minutes later, it have heated up 10 degrees in here. And I'm gonna just show you, it's 75 degrees. I got mine set at 95, but it is blowing out some heat. And I'm gonna explain this to you. This unit right here, this is a 2024 Flagstaff DBS 832 DBS. So it got 3 slide outs here on the back, and it got 1 slide out in the front. So it got a total of 4 slide outs, and it's got 3 AC units. But here in the bedroom, I haven't sprayed the bed yet, but it has a heat pump in the unit. But the 2, one in the living area and the one in the Murphy bedroom, which is my ironing room where I just store everything, it does not have a heat pump. And when I called them, I was kind of upset about that because there when I first got in here, I noticed that the one in the bedroom has a heat pump and the heater works on the electric, but the ones in the living room and the Murphy room doesn't. Now I understand why. Because if you turn on the heater in here, this thing blow out some heat, and you notice that heat rises. So whenever you got your heater on, what happens, the air is circulating on the inside of your unit. So it's sucking this hot air in and it's going out. So everything is circulating from the inside. So the heat rises and it goes in here and it blows out here. So that's why it done warmed up to 75 degrees in here, and it's 55 outside. So I don't have to use the propane if I don't want to. And this system is set up, as you can see right here, you got your different zones. Zone 1 is my living room, and zone 2 is my bedroom right here, and zone 3 is the Murphy room. I never turn that on. I always keep that one off because the one in the front, zone 1, they're all duct together. So I don't even need to turn that unit on. So that third unit always stay off. So these are different zones, and you can go through here. I'll make another video on how you set that. As you can see, mine is set for electric. If I want to change the mode, I could change it to gas if I want to. So I don't need to use any gas because I'm hooked up to their source and the electric is included. So I run everything electric. I don't even use my gas on anything unless I have to. If it gets too cold and the unit won't heat up, then if I got it on electric, and I'm gonna explain it to you, if it falls a certain degree, say for instance, I set it at 75, and inside here is, I think if it's 65, the thermostat will realize, hey, this electric is not heating it up. So the propane automatically comes on the gas system and heat it up to the temperature you want. Then the propane will shut off and the electric would take back on. So everything I use is electric, even my hot plate. I don't have to buy no propane if I don't want to. In my refrigerator, it runs off 12 volts. So DC volts on the battery. So this thing works really good. So I may not have to even buy or use any propane during the winter if it gets down in the 30s. And another thing about this, it also has your tank heaters. So if it gets too cold, I can just push this button and it start heating your tanks, all your tanks underneath, so they won't freeze up, your water won't freeze. And as you see, I just got everything on electric. I don't even use the heater. I can turn this on for heat for my water pump, but I use electric water pump. You can stay in the shower for for 10 minutes and that water still stay hot. So as you can see, the heating system is working good. I'm very impressed with this little heater right here. So you'll notice that if you buy one of these RVs, the living area, the bedroom area has a heat pump, but the other two units do not have heat pumps. And now I understand why. Because the little heater right here, the electric heater, all the heat, and it's blowing out heat, is going up and it's sucking through the vent. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you ever get one of these 832 DBS Flagstaff, everything, I'm very impressed with everything working as I thought it would work. Haven't had no problems. As you guys seen, if you see my other short videos, I made me some quick disconnects for my water system. Whenever I'm flushing my tanks, I can do everything right there at the back. I don't have to be running back and forth, so I put some quick disconnects on. I'm gonna show you my quick disconnect I got installed. I just try to make everything easier for me. You see, I got these quick disconnects. I don't have to go over the front. I can just turn my water off here and I can pop this up. You see how I disconnected it? And I can also use this right here, the flush. So the only thing I have to do is pop this connection off, pop this in, boom, turn this water on, and I can flush my system. Once I'm done, I can pop it off, pop this back on, my water, turn it on. Look at that, it's that simple. Then I can put my little plug back in, stop anything from getting in there. That's how simple it is. And this little plug right here is just a male plug, and I also have this little cap fitting on the side to keep stuff from going in. So it's that simple. You just get that and screw it on, tighten it up, pop it in, you good. That's all to it. But I was just showing you the system, how it works. And I give you a more little detailed video on how to go from different zones and turn on heat, electric, and gas, and all that good stuff. But everything I'm running so far, I'm running off electric. I don't use no gas. I don't even turn my oven, my stove on. I turn it on once in a while, make sure my gas is stove is working. But other than that, everything is electric. All right, have a great day.